Hello everyone. Let's dive into the JideTech 2-port dual monitor KVM switch. This little device aims to streamline your workspace if you're juggling two computers with a single set of peripherals. The model we're looking at supports HDMI 2.0 and 4K at 60 Hz, which is crucial for maintaining image quality, especially if you're working with detailed visuals or gaming. The JideTech KVM switch allows you to control two computers using one keyboard, mouse, and dual monitors, extending or mirroring your displays. This is a game changer for anyone who switches between a personal computer and a work laptop, or for tasks that require monitoring multiple systems simultaneously. It comes with USB 3.0 ports, ensuring fast data transfer speeds for your peripherals. The inclusion of cables is a nice touch, saving you the hassle of sourcing them separately. The digital display and wired remote offer convenient control over your connected devices. The switch operates on 5 volts and draws 1.2 amps, making it energy efficient. It uses a plug-in connector type and features an electronic push button for switching between computers. The metal construction gives it a solid and durable feel. One important note: the manufacturer recommends avoiding converters when connecting to the switch. If you encounter any issues, they encourage you to reach out to them directly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.